Are you looking to simplify printer management in your business environment? Imagine that all computers in your network recognize printers and start working with them automatically, without any manual intervention from you. In this video, you will learn how to achieve this using Group Policy Object, GPO, to easily and professionally deploy printers to all users' computers in your network. We will walk you step by step through setting this up using Windows Server 2019 and Windows Server 2022 to save time and improve efficiency in managing printers. Watch the video now and make this dream a reality. Hello everyone. I am Engineer Arya from Valley 4 Tech's channel. In this video, I explain to you how to deploy and share printers through server to all clients' computers, or to specific users or groups, and deploy the printers from the server in 3 basic steps. But before deploying the printer to users' computers on your network, make sure that the operating system installed on these devices is Windows 7, or a later version, such as Windows 10 or Windows 11. To install the printer service server role, launch Server Manager from the taskbar. Then, click Add Roles and Features. Then click the Next button to continue. Select Role-Based Installation or Feature-Based Installation, and click Next. After that, click on Select Server from Server Pool, and choose the server to which you want to add the printer service role. This is in case you have more than one server. Then click Next. In the list of server roles, find Print and Document Services, and select them. And in the dialog box that pops up, click Add Features, then click the Next button to continue, and click Next and Next. In the Role Services section, make sure Print Server is checked and then click Next to continue. And finally, click the Install button. Once the role is installed, click Close to close the wizard. Now, I will restart the server after installing the Print and Document Services tool, and after restarting the server, I will complete the steps. Now, we will start with the second step, which is creating a policy, or as it is called GPO, and linking it to the organizational unit or linking it at the domain level. First, open Server Manager. Then from Tools, select Group Policy Management option. And after opening Group Policy Management, select the domain that you will work on. Then right-click on Group Policy Objects, and from the menu click on New, then enter an appropriate name for the GPO. Through the dialog window that will appear, then click on OK. Now, navigate to the organizational unit where you want to deploy the printers. Then right-click on it, and from the menu, select Link and Existing GPO. And in the dialog box that appears, select the GPO that was just created, and click on the OK button, and you can link it to any other organizational unit. You can close Group Policy Management, and then click on Tools menu from Server Manager, and from the menu click on Print Management. And after opening Print Management, click on Old Printers, and you will see all the printers available on the server, and they will deploy the printer called HP LaserJet Pro 400. So, right-click on it, and from the menu select Deploy with Group Policy. In the pop-up window, at the top, you will find the printer name and path. Then below it you will find the section for GPO name. Click the Browse button, and then select the GPO we just created. Click the All tab, and select the policy, and then click OK. Now, in the Deploy using Group Policy window, you will be given 2 options under Deploy this printer connection. You can either choose which the users this GPO applies to, per user, or which the computers this GPO applies to, per machine. and you can select both. After that, click on the Add button, then Apply button. Finally, click the OK button, then click the OK button again. Now, go to the client computers. Open the control panel, click on Devices and Printers, but you will notice that the printer deployed by the server is not present. So you will need to restart the user's computers, or update the GPO for the user's computers by following these steps. Type CMD in the search box, and from the search results click on Command Prompt, then type the command gp update/force. After successfully executing the command, open Devices and Printers again, and you will find that the printer has been successfully deployed on this computer. In this way you can add, deploy, and share any printer through the server to the client's computers. I hope the video is useful to you, and thank you for watching. And I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.